We now move to question 180, as asked by Honorable Shibambu to the Minister of Finance. Honorable Deputy Minister.
Thank you, Madam Chair. To the honorable member, ongusekela mongameli wabantu abakhomandayo. We want to say the Minister of Finance is still familiarizing himself with the National Treasury comments on the bill and will provide a detailed response once the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance has completed this process. We take a view that this bill is sponsored from within Parliament. We are looking forward to comment once the Parliament express a particular view and interact with that.
Thank you. In accordance to Rule 137.10, the question asked, Dr. Ndlozi will take charge of the question asked by Honorable Shibambu. Honorable Ndlozi.
Thanks, House Chairperson. Honorable Gungubele, since the real minister is not here, you have been around for a very long time in this department. Have you read the bill that has been proposed? And if you haven't, you must tell us why. If you have, what are its details? I understand Comrade Mboweni maybe is an arrivalist, but when you have been here, have you read the bill? If not, why? If you have, what are its details? What is its central argument? Thank you very much. Don't tell me about staff.
Obekekileyo ophethe indlu yowisomthetho. Inyaniso yona le mizamo yalomthetho ifikile kwamamehlo. Ndaqwalasela. Ndisaqhuba ndiqwalasela. Yamkeleke lento xa sithi izimvo zethu sizawufika ngelazo ixesha. Enkosi mhlekazi. The short answer is that in that area we have gone beyond policy. The administrative process are on course. In due time, I think that answer will be attended to. Thank you.
Honorable House Chair.
Yes, Honorable.
No. This Deputy Minister is not helping us. He's here answering on behalf of the Minister. He's giving us no answers. There is nothing he knows. He's probably still trapped as a mayor in Ekurhuleni.
Honorable Ndlozi.
You are still suffering from mayoral consciousness. You don't know anything.
Honorable Ndlozi, please take your seat. As we continue to Honorable
This round
Liz.
is unacceptable.
No, point of
Honorable
order.
Liz.
Point of order.
Honorable Liz, can you please take your seat? Okay. There's Mama here.
Point of order, in terms of the rule of anticipation, the bill is before a committee and would come to the House. Does the question not fall foul of the rule of anticipation?
Thank you.